In this Descript tutorial, I'll show you how to select and control multiple layers at once super fast. Now, these are recent introduction and it makes a ton of things much easier. So, for example, on screen, I do have a couple of shapes, a triangle, a circle, and a square. Let's assume you wanted to kind of make changes or resize them, maintain the same aspect ratio and all that, all at the same time. So what you can do is there are two ways. You can select all the files, but please take a note, you've selected the layer at the bottom. So to avoid that, you can just hide the layer inside properties right here. The layers are here. You can just hide this, take a note, it's hidden now, and then just highlight like this. So once you do that, all layers are actually going to be selected, and then you can resize if it's what you wanted to do, and then you can move if that's what you wanted to do, up, down, and all that kind of stuff if that is what you wanted to do. Let's go back to properties right here. Let's just select outside, turn back the script. So we now have them down here. The alternative method is press on shift on your keyboard as you click, shift click, shift click, shift click, and then you can just hold the edge, resize to where you want it to be, like that. That is how you select, and then you can now control multiple layers so that you can get your desired effect, whatever it is. That is how you can select and control multiple layers at once in Descript. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.